Billions of US government dollars might soon flow into Intel, but what does that mean for your wallet and your next PC build? If you've been frustrated by high prices or limited availability of processors and graphics cards, this massive investment could be a game changer, or just more corporate welfare. The problem? It's hard to know if this taxpayer money will actually fix supply issues or just boost Intel's profits without helping consumers. The conflict? If this investment doesn't work, you can keep facing inflated prices, continued chip shortages, and even less competition in the CPU market, meaning slower innovation and higher costs for years to come. But here's how you stay ahead. First, don't rush your build, wait to see if this investment actually improves supply and lowers prices. Second, diversify your options. Consider AMD or other competitors to avoid brand lock. Third, follow industry news. Understanding semiconductor politics helps you predict market shifts. Want real-time insights on how tech policy affects your gear? Subscribe for clear, unbiased breakdowns you won't get anywhere else.